In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you create PDF on WPS Office app. So it's a very simple procedure. Make sure to stick with us right till the end of this video. Before we start on, make sure to update your application to the latest version. So open up your respective app store and then on the search box type in WPS Office. Here you want to see whether it needs to be updated or not. If it is completely updated, click the open button and log into your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to home page. At the bottom right hand side corner, you could find this create option. Click on it. As soon as you do it, so you want to go ahead and make sure to select PDF from the top right hand side. As you click on it, you want to select whether you want to download PDF, whether you want to create a blank note, whether image to PDF or scan document to PDF, web page to PDF, whichever option is convenient for you or that you're looking for. Select that, and then you want to go ahead and just follow the on-screen prompt and you will have successfully created the PDF. After you're done converting it or after you're done creating it, so you want to go ahead and make sure to save it to any of these following folder. So let's say Google Drive, and click on the save button at the bottom of the page, and with that you've successfully created PDF on WPS Office app. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.